Hey gang, Game Time here, and I haven't opened one of these in a while. It's a Hobby Box 2014 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. These boxes come with 20 packs, 5 cards per pack, and you get 6 autographs per box, and it says "and autograph hot boxes." I have actually opened one of the hot boxes and ended up with, I think, 10 autographs out of that box. It was a really fun box to open, and this is, even if you don't get a hot box, getting, pulling 6 autographs. And I should also add in that a lot of the autographs are short print, parallel numbered versions. So you can get some really super short print autos out of this. 2014 is not the best rookie class, which is one of the reasons that you can get one of these boxes without having to break the bank. But there's still some decent names, and there's still actually some players in here, even though several years ago. You know how baseball's weird like that. Sometimes it can take a while for somebody to bust out, so there's still potential in here. Alright, there's what the base card looks like. Red with foil. Derek Campbell is my first autograph, and it is numbered to 799. This is a sticker auto, but this stuff also produces a lot of on-card autographs. So that's another advantage to opening this. Walker, Lane Thomas. Here's an Elite Series, Derek Hill. This is just an insert. Sneed. Gomez, Lee Brandt, Eric Skoglund. I think I've pulled him before. This is another sticker auto that is numbered 649. So that's 2. Kind of keep track and see if we end up with a hot box. Usually there's 1 jersey card. I think I fill it here. Usually 1 jersey per. Oh no, this is a filler, but usually you do get a jersey card in here. John Ritchie. This is an on-card auto to 799. So that's 3. Okay, here's the jersey card, Peter Lambert. I don't think it's not numbered. Reed Riley. Don't know Reed Riley. Dalton Pompey. Nick Howard, Elite Series. Gilbert Lara, Mark Zagunas. James Norwood. This is a sticker auto to 799. So what are we at here? We are at 4 autos and a jersey card already, with lots of packs left. So either this could be a hot box, or maybe they were all on one side of the box and I'm just busting them all out first. I don't know. There's a Soler rookie. Austin Meadows. Is this not? Yes. Now that's a sweet little pull. Austin Meadows, Back to the Future auto to 99. I like it. And that is yet another autograph out of this already. Trevino, Jonathan Holder. And we've still got quite a few packs to go. Cody Reed, Elite Expectations, Tyler Kulik. Another pack that feels thick, probably has a filler card. It does have a Max Pentecost die cut to 200. Parallel action. Michael Kopech, Jose Pujols. Not related to Albert, I don't think. Anyway. Curtis, Dylan Peters, John Darth. And that is another autograph to 199. This is the 15U National Team USA. Chase Fry and Jeff Brigham. Looks like another filler card in here, so maybe another parallel. Yep, Bobby Bradley to 150. Status purple die cut. Good looking card, not a bad prospect. Justin Schaefer, Jake Jewell, another purple to 150. Looks like we got about 6 or 7 packs left. Ferguson, Murphy, another Derek Fisher. I think there was already a Derek Fisher. Luke Dykstra. Troy Stokes, Ross Kivett. This one is an autograph number 2399. I've already lost track. We're going to go back and count these autographs. Franchise Future Auto, Forrest Wall, Alfaro. Clay, Grenier, Rondon. Decent pack. Chris Ellis and Jose Trevino. Males, Carson Sands, Max George, Prevost, and John Curtis. Not Curtis. Cole, Jared Robinson, Historic Picks, Andy Pettit, not Andrew. Although I guess technically his name probably is Andrew. And we just call him Andy. O'Hearn and Logan Moon. 2 more packs. See if we can get one more auto out of here. Although I think we've already done pretty well. Altavilla Inspirations die cut to 200. Corey Ray and Soltis, and last pack. Looks like we may have done it. Jared Walker to $7.99. Alright, let's do a recap, because that was a lot of stuff here. Alright, the Walker's 1. That's just a parallel. Ross Kivett 2. Parallel. Parallel. 3. Austin Meadows 4. My favorite card. 5. Not an autograph. 6. 7. And 8. 8 autographs. 1 jersey card. I think that probably qualifies as a hot box. And the 4 parallels. Definitely a decent box. Very happy with that. This stuff is, like I said, fun to open even if you don't get a hot box. It seems like there were a lot of the higher number autographs this time around in the hot box, but I have pulled, like I said, some of the non-hot boxes where the autographs were super short print, super low numbered, but this is still really good box. Really happy with this. So that's it for this round. I'll be back with a new box soon. Everybody take care.